Today we're working on the Bel-Air again. Have to put another water pump on it because this water pump that I just put on, I don't know, a few months ago or whatever, I was cruising in it and I blew this upper neck off of it. I was just cruising and the neck itself came out of the water pump. I'll post a picture of it I took. So got a new Holley water pump to put on it that is going to move the upper hose to the other side, which will make it look a lot nicer under here. And I also went ahead and ordered a cam for it. Since I'm going to have the water pump off, might as well put a cam in it. At least that's my thought. So we'll be swapping that out also. Okay, got the radiator out. Took the spacer out because I'm going to move the radiator forward when I put it back together. Got the AC condenser out. Hopefully I'll have enough room to pull the cam straight out the front. But cam won't be here till tomorrow. So I'm going to get this water pump pulled off. You can see the top of that's kind of beat up where I was beating it with a hammer on the side of the road trying to pound it back in. It's the next day. So far all we got done is got the crank pulley off. Got my two water pumps sitting next to each other here, and after doing some research last night, I found that this Holley water pump is basically the same as an LS3 water pump. So if you're going to do this yourself, you might save yourself some money and buy an LS3 water pump because they're about $70 cheaper. And even though Holley says it works with all the factory accessories, from what I can tell, you have to cut this bracket off right here, right on this side of the support, and then buy a relocation bracket that goes between these two holes to remount your idler, and then you have to buy an LS3 style tensioner. So that'll be here in the next day or so we can get this thing back on the road. Here's the crank pulley. Got a little beat up there hitting it with a hammer. Luckily I don't have air conditioner on that pulley. I got one of these. What I saw on the internet that works the best is a Chrysler harmonic balancer puller, which is just a really beefy 3-job puller, and it hooks on these little ears on the snout, and it worked really good, except that the one that I got didn't have the third length of little push rod thing, so it was a little too short. So I used some push rods I had sitting around, and this was the first one. And so that won't be reused. And then used the other one while I was tapping on it with a hammer, turning it real slow, and finally got it up there. Okay, got the new cam lubed up. It's in a comp box. It's actually just a stock LS7 cam. Got it lubed up, ready to go in. Over here, getting ready to pull this cam out. I got some wooden dowels in these little holes. I read about that online, so we'll see how that works, and hopefully we can get this out of here without lifters falling into the oil pan. Alright, this is as far as we're getting tonight. Got the cam installed, waiting on the timing gear and front cover. Got the rest of it all buttoned back up. We'll be working on the water pump, getting that fitted tomorrow while we're waiting for the timing cover, and then it should be ready to throw back together. Here is the new water pump installed. It's just mocked up for now because I'm still waiting on the timing cover to come in for this to use with this cam. But I got this relocation bracket here that moves this pulley over. It'd be nice having the water neck on this side instead of having the hose running up and around. So that's probably as far as we'll get in this video, because it'll be a while before my other stuff comes in. Waiting on the timing cover and the timing gear to work with this camshaft. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video when we should get this thing fired up and see what it sounds like with the new cam. And like and subscribe and leave a comment below.